What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, back again to talk about some incredible Sony products. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably have recently picked up a pair of noise-canceling earbuds. And if that's the case, hang out with me a little bit in my living room and let's talk about how to get them connected to your phone. Now for me, I decided to go with the SP800N. The reason why I chose this earbud is pretty simple. Amazing battery life, water resistant, and sweat resistant. This just lets me know that when I'm on the go, no matter what my environment is, the earbuds will stand up to that test. Now before we get to that, gotta slow down a second. One of the most important steps after you get your earbuds is how do you connect it to your phone. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to connect the SP800Ns to both an iOS device and also an Android device. All right, now step one of this process is the absolute most important one. Now, you may think it's simple, but I've known people to mess this up. Step one, open the case. Yeah, I know that's easy. But after you open the case, you just take the earbuds out. What you'll notice is on the back side of both of them is a flashing blue LED indicator. That indicator simply lets you know that they're ready to go. Step two, place the buds in your ear. Just like that. Once they're in your ear, you're ready to take it into Bluetooth pairing mode. All you have to do in order to do that is to touch the touch panels on both sides and hold. A couple of seconds later, you'll receive a notification that'll let you know that you've entered Bluetooth pairing mode, like this.
Bluetooth pairing.
Exactly. All right, so now that we've successfully placed our earbuds into Bluetooth pairing mode, all we need to do is grab our mobile device and complete the connection. Now, both Android and iOS are very similar in how this process happens, so I'll walk you through both of them at the same time. First thing you want to do, go to your settings menu. Once you bring up the settings menu, you want to locate your Bluetooth option. Click Bluetooth. Then what you're going to see is a list of available devices that can connect to your mobile device. Locate your earbuds. In this case, you're going to be looking for SP800N. Once you find that, click on that. Now, depending on the operating system, you may get a follow-up question. Do you want to add contacts, give access to devices, whatever the case may be? But I'm sure you can follow along after that and complete the process. And connecting the SP800 is just that simple. And as always, it's your boy Larry, and I'll catch you next time in my living room.